Our intrepid inorganic chemist returns from class frustrated by his inability to answer the question from one of his students. Being isolated at a PUI, he turns to what he believes to be his only recourse: the internet.
Gosh, that was really a great question that Chelsea asked in class today, but I just don't know anything about Fblock chemistry. Boy, I wish I were back in grad school. I could have just gone and asked someone and talked to them about it, but I don't know where I would go here. I just have a bunch of organic and physical chemists. They're not going to help me much. Well, the last act of a desperate person. Let's see if Google can come up with anything. JCE Viper? What the heck does a snake have to do with this? But that looks like a decent link. Facilitate the effective sharing of teachable. Wow, that sounds like something I could really use. Let's see. A lot of people seem to be involved. Alright. Interactive web resource. That sounds good. So, where the heck is it? Aha, a website. Oh, okay, I see where the snake comes in. Let's see. Fblock chemistry. Awesome. F elements lecture material. Oh, look at that. Someone might have done some work for me already. Okay, applications. That sounds. Oh, organometallic chemistry. That sounds great. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Well, there's a lot of good stuff here. Alright. Someone's done a lot of work. This is awesome. If I didn't have those silly Gen Chem quizzes to grade, I'd really go through this a lot more detail, but this looks like something that would be really useful to me. Well, what other sorts of things are on this site? Let's go back to home. Well, I've really been looking to incorporate some different kind of solid state lab in one of my courses. I wonder if they wouldn't have lab. Oh, lab experiments. Look at that. 2D repeating patterns, X-ray diffraction, small lasers. Oh. Now that sounds interesting. Okay. With lab handouts and... Oh, that's awesome. This is great. Well, what else can we do on this site? Forums. What would that be all about? Opportunities? Research? Teaching? What kind of things might show up on using clickers? This is great. A way to sit down and just get responses from other people in similar sorts of situations. Errors in Tanabe Sakano diagram. Wow. I never would have noticed that. This is amazing. Well, what other sorts of things are on this wonderful site here? Let's go home. In-class activities, great. Problem sets, oh, awesome. Alright, I wonder what this 5 slides about is. Interesting. Wow, so I can learn about stuff from people that know it. That's awesome. Computational methods, literature examples. Outstanding. This site seems to have a little bit of everything. It really is an inorganic community. What a tremendous idea.
And so our inorganic chemist spends the day surfing for something productive rather than checking Facebook. He happily digs through the plethora of information available on Viper. No longer isolated, he's glad to be a member of this online community.